shore, diving deep. Where is the water taking me? Trying hard, bittersweet. Cabin fever's pulling me. I want to hold on to something greater. I feel the waves come crashing in. I'm drowning, drowning, drowning. Drowning, drowning, drowning.
Yeah. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to View the View. Reincarnation number 6. Every year we're just reincarnating this dead YouTube channel. That's alright, we're back. We're back, baby. Maybe we'll post more than one time this year. We're here at Sema 2022. We got Mr. Smith. Jacob Smith's in the house. Back again for another year.
Round 2, yeah.
Dad. We got Dad back in the house again as well. And a little special guest. He's behind the camera. He's a little shy.
You want to show myself?
You got it.
Yo.
Oh my God. Big D. Big Dex is back on Vehicle View for good. He quit his day job. He's here full time, editing full time, recording full time. Regardless, we're gonna have a good time. Stick around. It's only getting started.
I'm drowning, drowning, drowning. Drowning, drowning, drowning. Drowning, 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 drowning,
Welcome back to this part of the vlog, where we're gonna go around Toyota Tires booth. We're gonna get the opinions of Dexter and Jacob. Favorite cars here. Dexter, we'll start with you.
911.
911, which one?
Pink one.
Pink one. Alright, why? Is it just because it's pink? Is that the only reason?
Sorry, I'm not prepared for this.
That's alright, it's alright, it's alright. Take your time. We can always put it.
Yeah. Yep. Ruby Star, best Porsche color. And it's a 991.2, right? Question mark?
I believe so.
No, it has a steering wheel. It's got the steering wheel. But yeah, 911's the best car they make, and Ruby Star is the best color.
Alright, you heard it first. Check out the TikTok. We did a full in-depth review. And by in-depth review, I made a couple cinematic shots. Alright, Jacob, on to you, Jacob. Give me your favorite car at the Toyota Tires booth. Make it a good one. Let's go walk down there. I know it's over there.
I'm gonna go with the purple 911 instead.
Alright, let's take us. We're walking. Well, while we're walking, Jacob, go in depth as to what drew you to this car?
You know, it's the color's beautiful. It's it's painted. It's like kind of like that color shift. I don't know, is it midnight purple?
Midnight purple, yeah.
Yeah. So it's
find on any GTR,
yeah,
R34.
just a complex color. You don't really see a lot of Porsches painted. It's 964. I think it's 964. I think it's 964. Yeah, I mean, whole build is just really nice. We can walk over this.
We're pulling up on it here. For a second, big crowds, humongous crowds actually. We're almost there. You can kind of see it. Alright, here we are. Humongo crowd. Let's go over here, Jacob. Let's go over here. Oh. This color's awesome. And you gotta get quick interior shots. Any other thoughts, conclusions, Jacob?
I love it. It's beautiful.
That was your boring review from Jacob Smith. Got Big Dex on the prowl. Dexter's out here just captured the best Absolute best photos. Oh, dude, sick. What are we thinking? Pink F40. We came all the way here to see it.
It fucks.
It fucks. Jacob's out here getting some photos. Show, give us a little sneak. Give us a little sneak, man.
Let's see.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we're in focus here, but oh, dude, wonderful.
Some of that nice F40. Yeah.
Oh yeah, bro. Where can they find these photos?
What?
Where can they find the photos?
At Vehicle View on Instagram.
Woo, baby. Public interview. What are your thoughts on the G80 M3?
It's good. I like it.
Is that all you have to say?
I like it a lot, yeah.
Sir. Thoughts on the G80 M3?
This angle's okay.
Not a big fan of the grills.
No. Disgusting.
Alright, we're rolling. Jacob, where are we going?
We're going to the burn yard.
We're going to the burn yard. We're gonna go smell like rubber for the rest of the day. You guys are unfamiliar with Sema. Right over here, down yonder, the Hoonigan Burn Yard. We're gonna be spinning it up, lighting it up. It's gonna be cloudy, gonna look like it's a foggy day outside. In reality, it's quite sunny. Yeah, we're on our way. We'll get you some clips and stay tuned. booth right in front of none other than Daily Driven Exotics 720 GTR. It's beautiful. Based off of the Lark F1 they used back in the day. It's painted this beautiful pinkish, orange, whatever you interpret it as, gray car. It's got some new wheels, funny enough. I haven't seen these ones yet. Looks really good. Really happy to see this car in person. I was told pictures don't do it justice, and it absolutely doesn't do it justice. Now for this segment of the vlog, actually, what I used to say, welcome back to this part of the vlog. We're going to roll up on the Magnaflow booth, Magnafleece, for one thing only, Mr. Sir Thomas Hunt's latest build, his BRZ and his new Z, 400Z, whatever you want to call it. I'll take two, because there's two of them. Wide body BRZ, immaculate, beautiful, we love it, we respect it, on the BBS, HRE Classic 300s, iMac, we also got 400Z, new Nissan Z, 370Z replacement, whatever you want. Second blue, great wrap coat, paired with the white wheels, such a Stratman move. Looks great. I love the way. I'm not a big fan of 400Z. Wide body. I may be biased. Fuck off. Looks great. Love it. Can't wait to see what else he has to bring. We also have to go find that RX-7 with us. Stay tuned. Jacob, what am I rolling up on? What is this? What did you brought?
This might be my favorite G82 build.
Okay, chrome.
Yep.
It's alright. I'm not mad about it.
Some forged carbon pieces.
Okay, I like it. Oh, we got this guy. Good pick.
Business in the front.
Okay, it's cool. Some good looking wheels. Oh, forged carbon. Nice.
This is it.
What?
Party in the back.
Party in the back. We got the, what is it? El Camino of today's generation, the G82 M4. What is this, G80? Maybe it's a G84 now? What do we classify this as?
Yeah, gotta be G84, right?
No, it's lost material. G83 would be a convertible. It's like a G82.5.
G82.5. No, I wonder how much you really can do with this though. It's like
Yeah.
golf clubs. All right.
Get a lot of golf clubs.
Golly, man. This is insane. This is probably the craziest thing I've seen all year.
It's incredible.
Alright guys, that's a wrap for here at Sema 2022. It's a shorter video than usual. You know, we're trying to cover as much as we can. If you want to see any of the behind the scenes, great. TikTok, Instagram, all linked below. Big shout out to Jacob, Dexter for being a huge help. Shout out to Dad for bringing us out here. You know, I said, I'm sorry, reincarnation number 6, blah, blah, long story short. I'm doing it for fun. If you like the fun videos, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and see you guys next time. Peace.